Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. So today we are going to start the topic entering data. Place the insertion point in a table cell where you want to type the data. To move to the next adjoining cell, either press the tab key or right arrow key. To move to the previous cell, either press the shift plus tab key or the left arrow key. Enter the data as given in figure. The up and down arrow keys will shift the cursor to the cells above or below the current cell. Selecting different parts of a table. To select a cell, a row, a column, or a table by using a mouse, follow the given instructions. To select a cell, you have to click on the edge of the cell. To select a row, move the mouse to the left of the row margin and click the left mouse button and drag to the end of the row. To select a column, place the mouse pointer over the top of the column. Click the left mouse button. To select the entire table, click on the table move handle or drag the mouse over the entire table. So there is a tip for you. You can also select the different parts of a table by using the select menu on the table tools in the layout tab. Entering data. To select the text inside a single cell by using the mouse. To select a word, double click on the word. To select a sentence, hold down the control key and click anywhere in the sentence. To select a block of text, drag the mouse over the text. To select a paragraph, triple click on the paragraph. Let's know more. You can insert a pre-designed table using Quick Tables option from the Table drop-down menu. Modifying a table. After entering data in a table, you can make changes in the data as needed. You can insert rows, columns, or cells in a table to accommodate new contents. Similarly, you can delete unwanted rows, columns, or cells from a table. Inserting columns or rows in a table. While creating and making entry in a table, you might need to add columns or rows in between. Word provides the facility to add new columns to the right or left of any existing column and insert rows above or below the existing row. To add a column, click on the top border of the column adjacent to which you want to insert a new column. Click on the Layout tab in the Table Tools tab. Click either on the Insert Left or Insert Right button in the Rows and Columns group. An empty column inserts in a table as per the chosen option. Similarly, click either on the Insert Above or Insert Below buttons in the Rows or Columns group on the Layout tab to insert a new row. Thank you and Jai Hind everyone.